Good morning. It is Vlogmas day. When you're seeing this will be Saturday, but today is Friday the 4th. No, Thursday the 3rd. The day that you'll see this is Saturday. Yeah, so welcome back to another Vlogmas day. Hope you're enjoying them so far. Today I am spending I've got the house to myself today for a little while, so I thought whilst it was quiet I would get some recording done because I need to get a tortoiseshell fur tutorial done and a little bit more on the leopard. But my plans may be foiled a little bit because it's raining and it hasn't stopped raining like all morning, so that's just fantastic. So I might even have to do it this evening, I don't know. Kind of defeats the object of like Simon and James popping out today. Oh well, weather. But at 12:15 today I have a gym session. It's funny because going to the gym is like the only time when we're allowed to see other people, like outside. In the gym that I go to there is a rule of 2 meters apart each time, so there's like little workout boxes in like the studio section so you can do your own thing. So me and my friend just kind of grab a box next to each other and then we do the same workout, but obviously we're distanced. There's hand washing, hand sanitizing facilities and all of that, and we have to wipe down all of our equipment. But going to the gym or going for a walk outside is like the only time that I'm allowed to see friends, and I'm very excited. I went to the gym yesterday. My friend was meant to go but she had to work overtime, so I'm very excited because I get to have a chat with my friend and yeah, just see another person. So that's my plan for today. We're gonna go and work out a little bit. Thanks for your feedback on Vlogmas day 1 and day 2. I think in the Vlogmas day 2 I spoke a little bit more about like the personal aspect, like I told you guys about working out and like my food and stuff, and you guys said that you don't mind hearing about that kind of stuff and not just keeping it all to business during vlogs, so that's fantastic because yeah. Anyway, so this Vlogmas is going to be maybe just today or maybe today and tomorrow, I don't know yet because I haven't scheduled anything for Monday, so I might just use Friday's vlog footage and over the weekend to create a vlog for Monday as a video, so I've got nothing scheduled in for that. But yeah, today I just plan to do a tortoiseshell fur tutorial and then work a little bit more on my leopard. Yeah, that's pretty much all I've got to do today. Today isn't technically like a work day. As I said, Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays are my full work days, and then I get Tuesday, Thursday and then Saturday, Sunday off, but I do like Etsy orders rather than drawing or recording or anything. So yeah, I've got some really nice candy cane soy wax melts from Catnip Burning. Oh my god, they are so strong. Literally, they're in the studio here. It's very minty in the studio, but throughout the whole house the smell has travelled and everything just smells like peppermint, and it's divine. Like, my favourite thing is mint. I love mint stuff, like mint toothpaste. I could eat a tube of that. Bit weird. But like mint chocolate chip ice cream, I like mint sauce. I just like I've got lots of varieties of mint in my garden as well because that's one of my favourite scents, is just mintiness. So yeah. So I think I'm just going to record. I've got a terrible issue with my contact lens today as well, but I think now I've got an hour before I need to like get in the car and go. I've had a little snack of a crumpet. I didn't realise that crumpets were actually vegan. Who knew? And we've got some naturally vegan spread or butter made from coconuts. It's absolutely delicious, and I had that on the crumpet and you wouldn't know that it wasn't a vegan snack. So yeah, that was really nice. I haven't had a crumpet in so long, so I thought, seeing as I'm doing some weights at the gym, like having something carby would fuel that an hour beforehand, so I just had that. I'm gonna have another cup of coffee, and yeah, let's get to recording, and hopefully there'll be a little lull in the rain. Look at it, it's literally so miserable. Look how, well, it doesn't look that grey on the camera actually. Yes, it does down the bottom there. But it just looks absolutely terrible outside. In other news, the garden is looking fairly good. Yeah, obviously there's a fireplace around at the back there, but otherwise everything is, I just need to take up some what were they? Marrows. I need to take up some marrows there, but everything else is ready for planting. I need to start getting on to what I'm going to plant in the garden this year. Also, just thought that I would mention, this is Simon's workspace with the cat. We did have his screen and everything, so it was like on the desk, like at the back of the desk. The desk isn't very wide, it's like the narrowest desk. It's from IKEA, so it's one of those with like really flimsy little ones. And his computer screen is massive. And I decided, because he had like no room to do any packaging or anything on this desk, which is what this second desk is for, it's like the secondary packaging desk, and he had no room to do anything, so like he can't get on and package anything because he's got no room. So I decided that I was going to buy a desk mounted arm for the screen, so that you can like move it around, so you can move it out the way if you need it completely out the way, just so it's not taking up valuable real estate of the desk. So this is the arm. Oh my god, that rain is so loud. And then you can like swivel it, so it swivels round, and you can do it so it's like portrait way and everything. So now he has all of this room, minus the keyboard space, but the keyboard can just be like put somewhere else, like off to the side. It's got quite a long lead and everything. It could just be put to the side whilst packaging or doing something. So yeah, that's going to be a lot handier for him to help with stuff as well, like even just putting paperwork on the desk and having to deal with it and like file it away and just hole punch everything and all of that kind of stuff. Just going to be a lot more easier. He spent like 6 weeks with the computer screen on his desk like that, so it was time. It was time. Good afternoon. So I finished the tortoiseshell fur tutorial. Oh god, I'm tired. Like, I finished the tortoiseshell fur tutorial. This is what we've got. So just a quick little demo. Yeah, finished that, and I had some lunch, went to the gym, and we're back and ready to start drawing some leopard. I was just consulting my calendar, and I've put that the leopard tutorial isn't out until the 13th of December. So I've got a few days yet that I can complete the leopard, because I don't really want to record anything else whilst it's raining like this, because I just recorded the tortoiseshell fur tutorial, and then like as soon as I started recording, the rain just came hammering down, and I don't want it to be too much of a distraction. So I've got like this mouth and the cheeks to do of the leopard. It's not a huge area, like I could probably get the cheeks done if I started now, and then it would just be the mouth that I'd have to do like over the weekend or tomorrow. But also I just don't want to record whilst it's raining like this. But how long is this rain going to go on? I can't just not record because of the rain. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to wait until this evening, because as I went to the gym today, I won't go tomorrow. So we've got to drop James off at play school tomorrow. So I'll be able to work like first thing tomorrow morning. So hopefully it's not raining, and then I can get some recording done tomorrow of the leopard. I've got a Q&A and critique session tomorrow as well, which I need to put a post up on Facebook about. I also need to edit today's Vlogmas that needs to go up, because I didn't edit that last night because I was just having too much fun watching TV. So I've got myself a cup of coffee. I've had some had crumpets for lunch today, as I had one for a snack, so I've had 3 crumpets today. I'm trying to stick within my food allowance for today as well, and then I've also had a spoonful of Biscoff as well, because I absolutely love that. And having recently found out that it's vegan, it's just, they are my favourite biscuits. So yeah, that's the plan for the rest of today. Yeah, so I think I might combine this with Friday, and then if I get anything done over the weekend, then I'll record that, and then I can use that for Monday for a vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.